Assalamu alaikum, how are you? Today we will discuss about Google My Business post, how we can create SEO optimized and semantic SEO optimized post that help us to rank our GMB profile. If you can see here, I have shared one case studies that we are working in the similar way and we are optimizing the post for this Google My Business profile in the similar way. And we are achieving amazing result. This is the down season in Dubai because it's a restaurant, so most of the foreigner is going out from Dubai, and the summer when they back to Dubai and winter, the result is very amazing because in December and Jan and Feb the call ratio was like 1200 and 1300 per month, and there is a lot of messages, driving directions and website clicks, but I'm just showing the calls that we achieve by using the similar way to optimize the post. So I am sharing the same method with you guys that you can do and you can achieve the similar result for your client or for your business. So we can go through it step by step, that how we can optimize a post that help our GMB profile to visible in a search engine. Okay, so if you can see, first of all, let's start with the title. So we can create a title which is basically a combine of attribute, the main keyword like the topic keyword, and with the locations. So we cover three things. One is attribute, we can add professional, best, we can add some reliable, cheap, affordable, this type of words with the main keyword and with the location. So it help us, it help Google to understand the main topic, main intent of the keyword, main intent of the topic. That's what you are talking about. Okay, so in next step, what we will do, we will write some brief description of 500 character, because Google My Business profile allow us to create 1500 character blog post, because we are adding most of the other information in the post. So we are squeeze, or we are limited our description to 500 character or to 700 character, so we can add the other relevant information that we need for this post, like the post we want to optimize it. So we will squeeze the content from 1500 to 700. After this we will add more info. Okay, so you will write a description of 5 to 600. After this, what we will do, we will add one question answer, or you can add two question answer, depend upon the limit of the character, because we have just 1500 character limit, so we can do all these information under the 1500 characters. Okay, so you can add Q&A relevant to the blog title or the main topics intent. After this, you can add the business hour, and you can add the recent post, like the recent post that you have created for this Google My Business profile previously. So you can add here, because it's work like a internal linking between the previous post and the present post, and when you are creating future post, so it will be linked to the old one. So it's refreshing the content and internal linking between the GMB post. The similar way we are doing for our website, we are doing internal linking, we are doing internal linking between blogs, we are doing internal linking between post and GMB. We can do internal linking between the services pages for better understanding to Google, that they understand the main intent, the main page that we want to rank. So for this we are doing the same thing. There is a driving direction. Basically, driving direction is we can create a direction from nearby location to our business location. It help potential customer to understand us or to find us easily in their area. Okay, and then we can add the name, address, phone number. Basically, this is the our business name, our business info, like name, address, phone number. It should be consistent. Sometime when you are adding phone number, Google reject the post because it violates the Google policy. So what you will do, if they do the same thing, you will remove the number and you can republish the post, so it will be publish it. Okay, so here is the example that how I create the post by using ChatGPT. Now for example, I have my keyword, all the information. This is a simple prompt. Hi, I want to write Google My Business post. Can you help me with that? Yes. So Google ChatGPT asked me, yes, absolutely, I can help you with that. Let's create a Google My Business post for one of your business. Could you please provide the following detail? Now Google My Business asks me for these details. Once I provide these details from 1 to 8, Google My Business, this ChatGPT will give me a post like this. You can see here. So this is the post structure that I am following for my client. So this is just an example post, so you can follow the same structure and you can create amazing posts for your Google My Business profile or for your client profile. So I think it will be very helpful for your business visibility. It helped me for my client and for my own Google My Business profile. So I'm sure it will be help you guys also. If you can use the same way, or you can add more information, you can add more entity, whatever you need to add. So how much you add the more entity, more relevant information, it will be helpful. You can see here then, and the last here is the CTA that you can link to multiple affairs. You can directly click on call now. You can put as a link to your website relevant post, or you can link to your social media, or you can link to your Google My Business profile shareable link, or you can link to your CID link. Okay, so once time you can see this is a title, this is a description, business hour, like the operational hour of business, and then we have a recent post, driving direction, and NAP, and the last we add a NAP. So in this way I am creating a post for my clients, so it'll help me a lot and we achieve a good result for them. So if you can apply the same way, so it will be helpful. Thank you and see you in next video.